The Layers view provides a compact representation for entities with definitions spread across multiple locations in your code. For example, E-language aspect-oriented constructs like type extensions or method is also, SystemVerilog extern method declaration and out-of-body implementation, or VHDL function overloads. Place the editor cursor on the name of an E-language unit, right-click, and choose Show Layers, or press Shift F3. Use the quick search bar to locate a specific extension. Double-click on a layer to jump to the corresponding source location, or use Next and Previous toolbar buttons to navigate layers in order. The layers are sorted according to the compile order. Right-click on a layer provides several context-dependent actions. For example, you can further inspect the type hierarchy of a struct, or see all the usages of a method. The same works for many language constructs, like enumerated types, events, or methods. For methods, press the Layers Collect button to see all extensions listed in a temporary file. While editing, especially when working with the editor maximized, it is more convenient to use the Quick Layers view. Simply press Ctrl-Shift-O, search, use the up and down arrows to select a layer, and enter. Let's now focus on a SystemVerilog virtual function. All overrides from parent and child classes are shown. Notice that extern declarations are marked with a distinct decoration. The Layers view also allows you to see all places where a particular macro is defined, undefined, or redefined. On to VHDL, let's trigger the Layers view for an entity to quickly see all of its architectures. The Layers view can also help you explore all definitions of an overloaded function. Notice that for each overload, both the prototype and implementation are shown.